Hey everyone, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about a really great product. It's one of my husband's favorites that he uses every day. It's called Suavecito Pomade. I don't know if you're familiar with it. I don't know how long it's been around, but I know it's grown in popularity because I do see this in most stores, including most drugstores, as well as online. Products for hair and for beards. I think husband actually specifically bought this for his beard, but you could use this for both. Like, I know he sometimes, like for work, will gel his hair back, and especially in this hot and humid weather, to just kind of keep it in place, because his hair gets kind of like curly and kinky if he doesn't put any product in it. So he definitely needs something to, he said, like make his beard fluffy but also not weigh it down. So he's been really happy with this product. So it's a matte pomade. They have this website here. You could buy it online, even in most drugstores. I've seen it in so many different places. It's water soluble. And then I think this is like the regular standard size that it comes in. It's a 4 ounces. I think he buys a couple at a time because, you know, he just uses it every day, goes through it kind of quickly. Made in the USA, so it's a USA made product, made in Santa Ana, California. Super easy to use. For directions, rub small amount of this greatness onto palms of hands and work with fingers. Apply to hair and style as desired. Work in with comb for best results. Applying pomade to dry hair creates a strong hold. So recomb hair later in the day. Just add a little bit of water to reactivate the pomade. Pomade will wash completely out with just water. And then for the ingredients, we have water, alcohol, castor oil, some other stuff in here, and they have like a little bit of fragrance added, but it looks like there's not like too many crazy things in here. Seed butter. I know he likes that. Also, he said it's like it keeps his beard very smooth, and the hair soft, which he likes. And I felt it too. Like, you know, after he used the product, I felt his hair, and it was very smooth, and it definitely lasts all day. Like from the time he leaves for work to the time he gets home at night, which is usually pretty late. You know, it's at least like a 12-hour hold at least, and then it, you know, easily comes out with just water, which is awesome. Doesn't have to like, try to like use soap to scrub it out or anything like that. That's not the case. And then it has like top on here, so you could just screw this off. So I'm going to open it up so I could show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I opened up the top. You guys can see inside. This is like almost empty container. So the smell, I don't really know how to do. It's not like it's not too fragrant. It has like a really nice scent. It almost smells like, I don't know, kind of maybe like a cologne almost. It does have a manly scent to it. I'm gonna take like a little scoop out. It feels really soft. Feels like a little bit like almost like, no, like a melted candle wax, actually. That's what I could best describe it to you as. And it doesn't leave like a white buildup in his beard. His hair is brown. It doesn't leave like once he combs it through, like he'll use like a plastic comb or sometimes like a bigger brush. He'll usually use a comb to comb it through for his beard and like a bigger brush for the hair on his head. But once you comb it through, like, and even though your hair is dry, it doesn't leave any white marks or anything like that. So I guess I like rubbed it in, and you guys can't even see it anymore. So just to give you like, you know, a little bit of information how it looks once it's rubbed in, because I know it might be concerned like, oh, does it leave white marks in your beard? No, it doesn't. And it does have a teeny bit of a sticky feel like afterwards. But he said it's not bothersome or anything like that. Like, he's like, I'm just happy that my hair gets held in place and that it doesn't frizz out or anything like that. So it does a really great job of holding, keeping your hair soft, keeping it in place. All around, he just loves it. It's an awesome product. He's been purchasing this for a year and will continue to keep buying it. So yeah, it's Suavecito Pomade for your hair, for your beard. Great man's product. I don't really think women could use this. I think they use more like a gel or something for their hair. For a guy, it's an awesome product. Ladies, purchase this for your boyfriend, husband, dad, brother. I'm sure they will thank you for it. And I really hope you guys found this useful. So I'll talk to you later. Try out Suavecito.